Hey everyone, the ASUS VivoWatch 6 Aero is an intriguing step forward in the world of health-focused wearables. ASUS may not be the first name that comes to mind when thinking of fitness bands, but with this release, the company is clearly aiming to carve out a more serious place in the market. Unlike many traditional smartwatches or flashy fitness trackers, the VivoWatch 6 Aero is understated in its appearance, but it packs in a range of features that go far beyond the basics, especially when it comes to health monitoring. At just 27 grams with the strap, the VivoWatch 6 Aero is impressively lightweight. It features a modest 1.1-inch AMOLED display that blends into the minimalistic design, suggesting that this device is meant to quietly support your health rather than make a fashion statement. Where it truly stands out is in its focus on health sensors and its innovative ability to offer both blood pressure and ECG readings, an achievement that sets it apart as the first fitness band in the world to integrate these features together. ASUS has taken a unique approach to blood pressure monitoring. Rather than relying on bulky cuffs or external equipment, users simply place their finger on the sensor located on the front of the device. This triggers a simultaneous measurement of blood pressure, heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, and heart rate variability using a process called sputter deposition. The ECG and PPG sensors on the back, combined with an additional PPG sensor on the front, allow the band to gather data from both the wrist and fingertip, increasing the accuracy of these critical health metrics. To round out the health experience, the VivoWatch 6 Aero includes built-in GPS for more precise activity tracking. It also boasts a 5 ATM water resistance rating, meaning it's safe to wear in the rain or during sweaty workouts. The device is powered by ASUS's Health AI 5.0 platform, which processes data in real time to give users feedback on their physical condition and stress levels. Battery life is another area where ASUS has made an effort to be competitive. The VivoWatch 6 Aero is rated for up to 5 days of use on a full charge and up to 7 days in a power-saving mode. Connectivity is handled through Bluetooth 5.0 or newer. While the health features are compelling, especially for those who prioritize real-time cardiovascular metrics, the ultimate success of the VivoWatch 6 Aero may depend heavily on price and availability. Currently available in China for $165, it's notably more expensive than its predecessor. Overall, the VivoWatch 6 Aero may not be flashy, but it delivers where it counts, offering advanced health tracking technology in a compact, discrete form factor. For users looking for serious health insights without the bulk or distraction of a traditional smartwatch, this could be one of the most interesting wearables currently on the market. Would you be interested in seeing how it compares directly to Samsung or Apple's health-focused smartwatches? Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.